Hey everyone, I wasn't going to post anything until tomorrow, but then this started all of a sudden. The wind picked up, the rain picked up, and this system is still far outside of Maui, still by the Big Island. So yeah, this is big and it's gonna get crazy. So just wanted you to see what's happening. You can hear it on the roof. So there you go, it's happening. And I'm still getting a lot of flickering electricity, so glad I'm doing this now because I may not have electric in the morning. But till then guys, take care, be safe, be happy. Bye.